I'm really curious. I'm an eBay seller myself. What the heck is a posh party? Okay, you guys keep talking about a posh party. I mean, are we going? I know you guys have some liquor over there. Okay, I know there's some. Is that where the posh party is held, or what is a posh party?
Well, there's two different forms of it actually. There's a posh and sip, which is an actual physical party where people come to a meeting place and they all share their Poshmark and network. And then there's the posh parties at night, which are virtual parties
on the app.
And you'll join that party. There's sometimes there is a theme to the party, or you have to post specific items. So, and the nighttime party, you can post anything.
They're virtual showrooms to display all of the stuff that you have for sale, and it's free. It doesn't cost you anything to share every single listing you have to this virtual party, and then when people go and view the party showroom, they're looking at your listing whether or not they didn't even have to search for it.
That's actually how you gain followers on Poshmark. You share your stuff, other people are going to share it for you, and when you share other people's stuff, they'll click on the follow button and they'll follow you, and that's how you increase your followers on Poshmark to the point where she's growing to about 113,000.
113,000 followers.
Yes.
Is that like compared to like an email list in a sense? You know, if you have an email list, you could send it out to all your followers, or even on eBay, you could do the same thing.
We share to our followers, so you can share your items to your followers.
So you have 100
day.
Similar.
Wow.
That's the social network aspect to it. Anybody could go onto Poshmark and search like flying pigs leggings, and mine would come up in the search results. Anybody could do that. My followers, it's very similar to Instagram or Twitter. So people that look at my closet, my items, and they say, I really like her style, I like the items that she sells, I'm gonna follow her. It's pretty much like subscribing to my closet. So every single time I make a listing, they see it. Every single time I share my listing, they see it. So I have over 100,000 of these people that have loved all my stuff and have decided, and this increases your chances for money.
That's really the key to Poshmark, and that's the easiest part about it, is going out there and sharing and following people and following back, and the more you do it, the more sales you're going to make. So you can really create your own sales in that avenue. You can go out and share your stuff, and you can offer private offers.
That's cool.
And do all that stuff, and you can create your own sales on Poshmark.
And you're already used to it. You're used to it because of Instagram and because of Twitter. This is not new news. You know, it's just a little bit different because most selling platforms, you list it and like forget about it until it sells or doesn't sell.
Then you relist it,
Then you relist it, and a lot of them you can even auto relist. You can literally like list it once and almost forget it's up.
And it sits there for 12 months. You're like, I just paid $8 in insertion.
When you're sharing your stuff, like you remember, like you're looking at your own listing, so it's not like, do I still own that? You know, did we sell that? It's like your own inventory is fresh in your head all the time, and how's that a bad thing?
Right.
It's not. You know, so it's a little bit different. But it's also well known because people do use other social networking platforms that are very similar.
Yeah, so don't forget to be your own self-promoter and promote as much as possible.
You're your own best fan. You are your number one fan.
You will shoot the moon on Poshmark.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, let's go downstairs. We're shooting a bunch more videos. We're going to go talk about inventory. So if you guys aren't already on the list, the email list, tell them about it.
Boom! Click on it below because that's going to get you more information and extra books,
we got a cool
material.
workshop that we've been we've got an awesome workshop we've been shooting all day, so I'm gonna follow you guys. Let's go downstairs,
let's rock and roll,
and let's go make some more content.